These are the stages of mitosis. The first stage is prophase. During this stage, the chromatin coils into visible chromosomes. And as you can see, the headband represents the nuclear envelope. As the chromosomes form, the nuclear envelope disappears, and so does the nuclei. And the centrosomes, which Mendon is now drawing, are moving towards opposite ends of the pole. The second stage is metaphase. This is also considered the shortest stage of mitosis. The chromosomes are now moving towards the middle of the cell, and the centromeres are also in the center of the chromosomes. And the centrosomes, which Mendon is drawing in pink, are at the opposite ends of the cell. The third phase is anaphase. This is when the centromeres begin to split apart into individual chromosomes. The spindle fibers, as Mendon is now drawing, begin to shorten and pull the chromatids apart. The chromatids, what Mendon is drawing now, are now called chromosomes. The last stage of mitosis is called telophase, and this begins when the chromosomes reach opposite ends of the cell. The nuclear membranes reform around each group of chromosomes. However, these chromosomes lose their distinct form. The spindle fibers Mendon is now drawing lose their distinct shape.
And now here's for a review. In the first stage, this is prophase, the chromatin coils into visible chromosomes right here. The nuclear membrane that was here is disappeared. The nuclei also is disappeared. The centromere of each chromosome has a region called the kinetochore that attaches to the spindle. Microtubules begin to lengthen right here, and the centrosomes move to the opposite poles as we start to go into metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosomes move to the equator of the cell, and this is called the metaphase plate. The centromeres lie on this plate. The next phase is anaphase, which is where the chromosomes begin to move apart. The centromeres are splitting apart right here, and the spindle fibers begin to shorten, so they're not as long as they were in metaphase. The chromatids are pulled apart, and they are now called chromosomes. In the last phase, this is telophase, begins when chromosomes reach the opposite ends of the cell. The nuclear membrane reforms at each end of the cell, and the chromosomes lose distinct form. The nuclei also reappear, and the spindle fibers break down completely. This is the end of telophase, and mitosis is complete. However, the process of the entire cell division is not complete because we have one cell right here with two nuclei. So now cytokinesis needs to take place.
The last stage of cell division is called cytokinesis. This is defined as the division of cytoplasm. In animal cells, the cell membrane pinches the cell into two separate cells. These two separate cells are exactly identical to the original cell. When this stage is complete, cell division is finished.